is Blessing Masasi. I'm an assistant professor of biological engineering at North Carolina A&T State University in Greensboro. So currently I'm teaching in the biological engineering program. I teach soil and water conservation engineering classes, classes like engineering survey, water resources engineering, and so forth. I also do a bit of research. My research interests are in irrigation and agricultural water management. So my research, in my research, I utilize food experimentation and crop modeling to study the effects of water and climate on crop production. So currently we have a precision irrigation project which we are doing on tomatoes. So in that project we utilizing soil moisture sensors, watermarks to be specific, to schedule irrigation. So we have 3 treatments. One treatment, we have a fully irrigated treatment where we irrigating once the soil tension comes to 15 kilopascals or 15 centibars. Then the other treatment is 45 kPa. So this one we allow the soil profile to to dry a bit. So we allow the crop to extract the soil moisture so that once the soil matic potential reaches 45 kPa or more, then we come in, we irrigate. The other treatment we actually using the conventional way, like how most of our farmers, especially the small farmers, how they schedule irrigation. So either they look at the crop, right, the status of the crop condition. Is it wilting, like the leaves are they folding in? Then we come in and irrigate. Fortunately, our trials, they are just close to our biological engineering building at A&T, which is Sockwell. So if you have been fortunate to come to A&T, our treatments are just outside our Sockwell building. The other aspect of my research, as I've said, you see, with food experiments, they tend to be laborious, right? They take a bit of time and they're also expensive. So we incorporate crop modeling. You see, so once we have collected our field data, we calibrate those models. Once we calibrate the models and we are confident with the performance, then we can perform those experiments in the model. So we run scenarios. So for instance, like having historical weather data, for instance, for at least 30 years, we can then run scenarios to see the impact of different management practices on crop water use, and also the overall crop yield. So in short, in a nutshell, that's what we have been working on. I have a number of graduate students. I have 2 graduate students, one a PhD and a master's student. So these ladies have been helping a lot, especially this summer. So yeah, if you guys have some time, just swing by Sockwell and we should be able to show you some of our experiments. Thank you.